the existence of life on other planets or extraterrestrials is something that every government and every religion wants to keep hidden from the public.
Why would that be?
They believe that this will cause unrest, this will cause a major discord problem in the population. They believe it'll cause massive panic, and they just do not believe that it is in the best interests of the government in power to release this information, because they fear that it will cause a revolt and maybe upheaval of independent states.
Wow. So, now, have you actually come into contact with aliens, or do they sort of keep to themselves?
The groups, the alien groups that are on planet Earth, do come and go. They're not here permanently. And I had been in contact with two from two different races, face-to-face. Face-to-face. Yeah.
Were they able to exist in this atmosphere, or did they need some, I don't know, respiratory aids or something?
They look just like us.
I could, but it would probably take a whole lot of time. The reason I state that, when I got out in 1989, we had cataloged 57 different species. You have individuals that look very much like you and myself that could walk among us, and you wouldn't even notice the difference, except for some of the things that they might be able to go ahead, even in a dark room, and touch an object and go ahead and identify what color that object might be. They would have a heightened sense of smell, sight, hearing. The situation is that you have various types of what we normally call grays. We didn't call them grays in the military, but you had at least 3 types of the grays. You had some that were much taller than we were. The unique thing that I'd like to point out for the most part is that the entities that we did catalog were in fact humanoid. Now this created a situation where the scientific community was trying to figure out why that would be the case, because you would expect that if life evolved on other planets, that they would take on some type of other being, so to speak, not necessarily look humanoid or be bipedal such as we are. But apparently we got quite a few of the species out there that are humanoid in appearance, and that creates a question that yet has to be answered by science.